Welcome back, fabulous viewers, to another episode of Sir K's Product Extravaganza. Today we're diving into the frosty world of winter boots, and the spotlight is on the Helly Hansen Forester men's winter boots. Now, these boots aren't just any boots. They're practically the rock stars of Helly Hansen's collection. With a timeless design that could charm the icicles off a snowman, they've got the perfect recipe for tackling winter year after year. We've got a tongue that's more gusseted than a talkative parrot. It's all about that extra strength and keeping out the pesky debris. But wait, there's more. An easy lace-up system and metal eyelets for that touch of customization. Putting them on is as breezy as a winter wind. Thanks to the EVA midsole and a removable breathable EVA comfort insole insert. Cushioning fit for a winter king or queen, all day, every day. Now let's talk traction. These boots mean business with their max grip outsole rubber technology. Those lugs on the sole, they'll plow through snow like a hot knife through butter. Reinforcements around the toe cap and heel using some wear-resistant magic material. Abrasion be gone. And if you're worried about odors and moisture, fear not. The Forester's got a well-padded collar with breathable quick-dry polyamide lining. It's like a spa day for your feet. Need to slip them on in a jiffy? Enter the solid leather heel loop. No more wrestling with your footwear, just slide right in. Made with durable seam shield water repellent, quick-dry low WG premium full-grain leather, these boots will keep your feet dry and happy. And did we mention they look as good as they feel? Winter fashion goals unlocked. Helly Hansen says these boots are ready for camping and hiking, but let's be real. They're also perfect for your daily commute and urban adventures. Winter just got a whole lot more stylish. Available in a rainbow of colors and sizes from 40 to 46 and a half. Pick your poison, or rather, your perfect fit. The best part, you can dress these boots up for a winter wonderland soiree, or dress them down for a casual gas station pit stop. Versatility, we love to see it. If you're curious and ready to strut your stuff in a pair of these winter wonders, check out the link in the description. And hey, full disclosure, as an Amazon affiliate, I might just earn a teeny commission if you decide to treat your feet. Don't forget to give that like button a high five. Smash that subscribe button for more shoe and product shenanigans in general. And ring that bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you on the frosty flip side.